Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to change clock icon on iPhone home screen. So let's begin our video. So first of all, you just need to long press over the app, and right now you can see some options showing here. Right now you just need to select second option, and here you can see the clock icon already changed. And if you just want to go back your previous one, just again long press and select first option, and here you can see the clock icon go back on your previous one. So there have another way to change this icon. Just long press again, and you just need to wait for shrinking. Right now select on the top left hand corner edit option, select add wedge, and right now you just need to scroll down and find out clock, and here you can see select clock, and here you can see you can check, you can select any clock icon from here. So here you can see I select this on or this on and select add wedge, and here you can see the clock icon or another clock icon already added. So guys, in this way you can very easily change your clock icon on your iPhone home screen. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this.